Welcome back, guys, and thank you for coming and joining us today. Today I was outside and lo and behold, I found one of these. Now what these are good for are these little bitty, what I call them is wishing things. I don't know if you can see it. See it? You make a wish. Yeah, they tell you, well, they used to tell you back in the day that if you ever see one, grab it and make a wish. So today I'm putting it in this bottle. Trying to anyway. Oh, I just blew it away. Didn't go far. It's right here on the table. But I'm gonna put it in this little teardrop shaped bottle. I did put it in a bigger bottle earlier, but it just didn't look quite as nice. Look at that. It's so pretty. You can see it. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. See you guys? But yeah, you cannot. Let me see if I can find that black. I don't have anything. Oh, my phone. Let's try that. Let's try the phone. You see it now? This glass is so reflective. Anyway, I just want to show you guys. I made one of these. It's so cute. I like it. I wonder what it would look like with a couple of them in there. So let's just grab a few more. There we go. That might have been a little bit too much. But let's just grab a few more. Stick those in there. Push them down into the bottle. Sorry. Push them down into the bottle, and that looks cute too. Very nice. Alright, I'm trying to fluff them out a little bit because I did pinch them a little bit, so I'm just taking a toothpick and fluffing them out. Just kind of fluffing them away. Okay? Now, let's see what that looks like. You should be able to see it a whole lot better now. Okay, put it from my... Yeah, look at that. There, a Make-A-Wish bottle. Quick and simple and easy to do. Just get a bottle, go outside and get those little wishy things from the dandelion plants, this thing right here, and stick it in a bottle. And you have a Make-A-Wish bottle. Oh, I got some flying around the room. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.